Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Mailchimp to connect with Google Analytics. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the account section by clicking on your profile name in the lower left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account. In the Account settings, find the Extras tab. Click on API keys from the options available. Here, you will need to generate a new API key if you don't already have one. To create a new key, click the Create a Key button. Make sure to copy the generated API key to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and log into your Google Analytics account. Choose the Google Analytics property you want to connect with Mailchimp. In the left sidebar, click on Admin. Under the Property column, select Tracking Info. Then click on Tracking Code. Here, you will find your Google Analytics tracking ID. Copy the tracking ID starting with UA-. Return to your Mailchimp account. Back in the Account settings, select the Integrations tab. Look for the Google Analytics integration and click Connect. Paste your Google Analytics tracking ID into the designated field. Now, find where to enter your Mailchimp API key. Paste the previously copied API key into this field. Once you've filled out both fields, click the Save button to finalize the connection. Your Mailchimp account is now authorized to connect with Google Analytics. Congratulations, you've successfully linked these two platforms for better tracking and insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.